Dear parents and sweet little children, welcome to our today's class. In our previous classes, we taught 8 letters in capital letters of the English alphabets. Let us learn the next 9 characters in today's class. Dear parents, first subscribe to our channel now before going to start our today's class. Click on the red letter subscriber short below to see our videos, and also press the bell icon that appear next to it. This way you can get the instant notification of all our videos we send ahead. Dear parents, let's start today's class. In today's class, let's learn the English alphabets uppercase letters for the next 9 letters. The next 9 letters are I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. We already tell you in our previous classes. Here we have written 4 letters on one page and the remaining characters on another page. But you only need to write a separate letters on a separate page and practice it for your child. Only if this is done, the children remember the letter. Dear parents, we have been talking about to maintain the discipline in each case of our videos. You must first write the heading in the book. Never miss to write the heading. If you avoid writing the heading, how can the child understand what he or she practiced today? We have seen many times that children have left the answer paper empty because of the instant victory information. So you have to practice telling the importance of the heading every time. You practice it with your children, whatever the heading of the subject. You can see here we wrote the heading first, so you must first write the heading, then put the columns properly, and as we have shown here, you have to put the dots. You should first show yourself to the child by joining some couple of dots. You must show to the child as we are showing here. I for ink. I for ink. I for ink. The next letter is J. J for jug. J for jug. J for jug. The next letter is K. K for king. K for king. K for king. The next letter is L. L for lion. L for lion. L for lion. The next letter is M. M for monkey. M for monkey. M for monkey. The next letter is N. N for nest. N for nest. N for nest. The next letter is O. O for ox. O for ox. O for ox. The next letter is P. P for parrot. P for parrot. P for parrot. The next letter is Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Q for queen. In this way, when you speaking a letter, a word related to the letter must be accompanied by it. Dear parents, we have been saying it in each of our videos. No letter should be written in silence, because if a child hears a word many times, it will remain firmly on its memory page. So you have to pay attention to what your child writes well and whether or not it is well worth reading also. Dear parents, we are happy to show you that Here, one of the parent has shared a video of their child with us by telling that how much advantage they have taken by seeing our all videos. So now please take a look of it, don't skip it.
B for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. E for apple. E for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog.
Dear parents, let's finish today's class. At the end of our class, we ask you again that who still not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it now. We created this channel for your child wellness. So share our videos as much as possible because this one little job of yours help a child's education. Thank you.